Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm making homemade hamburgers. Let me strike that. I'm making homemade bacon cheeseburgers. Okay, that's what I got. Okay, so just waiting for my meat and stuff. It should be done. My bacon is just warming back up. I'm gonna use these brioche buns, you guys. Here's my cheese right here on deck. Okay, so now I'm gonna wipe my skillet out. Okay. Now I'm gonna let the water evaporate out of here, you guys. And in the meantime, I'm gonna open my bun. Okay, I'm gonna add some butter. That was the air fryer. So, put my bun in here. What you guys like on your burger? And there's some onion, tomato, and lettuce. So what you guys like on your burger? You like mustard, ketchup, mayo? What you guys like? I know what I like. I know what I like. Make sure my fries are cooked. So I'm gonna add a little salt to the fry. I might need a light on. Sorry about that. Here's the light. There's a few fries for me. I'm so tired, you guys. Got up this morning. I went to the doctor. my bun lightly toasted. On to the next. Move that butter around. I'm gonna open up my cheese. Let's go get some paper towel. Okay, you guys. Okay. Okay, hold on, you guys. I can get some paper towel. Hey, you guys. I had to go get some paper towel. Just realized that I was out of paper towel. I went to the doctor today. I made it back probably around 12 o'clock. I was so hungry, you guys. I didn't eat breakfast or anything, not even a cup of coffee. So I was starved. So I had to get in that kitchen, you guys, and make it do what it do. And I cooked them burgers, and they was good. So here I come. I'm back, you guys. Okay, and thank you for watching this far. I'm back. There we go. Okay. And my last little bun. My last bun. Rub it around in that butter. Okay. I'm gonna put my butter back. Okay, my buns are all done. watching.